Hello everyone, guys, how are you? I think everything is get well. So today we will show you our renovation unit Sanoya Velocity 2. We are particle furniture renovated the unit. The all furniture is ready made, and then we are making the painting, we are making the new ceiling, we are making the new lighting, and then the kitchen cabinet. Now we are showing you the kitchen cabinet, the laminate board kitchen cabinet, and the quiet stand is tabletop. The sand is still sinky, oven, induction cooker hood, and then the got new fridge. Living hall. Wow, its living hall ceiling is lighting looking so nice, and got a smart TV cabinet, coffee table, balcony view. Wow, it looks so nice. I show you again the living hall area. Curtain also, the gray color, dark gray color curtain, the brown color sofa. After renovation the unit, the basic unit, after we are doing to renovation, the toilet is second toilet, the toilet mirror, the towel hanger also included. We will show you now the master bedroom. Wow, king size bed, IKEA wardrobe, and the ceiling wiring. Wow, it's just looking nice, so beautiful. Curtain also. The master bedroom got toilet. Now we will show you the second bedroom. Got the queen size bed, curtain, lighting, fan, aircon, and then the IKEA wardrobe. I just show you the IKEA wardrobe right now. I just opened the wardrobe door. I show you. Wow, it's comfortable, got perfect space, so I can hanging the cloth is very easy, and then the door is soft closing.